Good afternoon, my name is Vanessa Salami and this is my presentation for the activity Crime Investigation. For this activity we had to analyze the evidence of the case presented and respond. What was the crime? The crime was a bank robbery. Two guys robbed the National Bank. The robbers came with guns and stole over 100,000 in cash. Describe the crime scenes. According with some witness, it was a normal day and everything was normal. It was also a sunny day. And they say two guys came with weapons and intimidate the clients. The robbers point the weapons at the bank manager and forced him to put the cash into their bank, and they run away. What was the evidence? There are several elements to analyze. For example, the police found a telephone. Also, they found a cigarette, a lipstick, a coffee cup, but those elements are not relevant, are not relief as testimonial are. Which of the suspects do you consider was guilty? Well, checking the evidence and the police report, I found one statement that could be false. I mean the statement of the security guard. He said to the police that he was outside smoking a cigarette with a shopkeeper, but I think that isn't true, because the police questioned the shopkeeper and he can remember that situation. Also in the record, Mr. Robinson said that the security guard gone to the bathroom and wasn't guarded the door properly. Also, I think another suspect may be Mr. Burry, who yelled and yelled at her husband behind the bank during the robbery, but did not call the police. So I think those persons are suspect for me. Well, that was my presentation for this activity. Thank you so much.